Hello everyone and welcome to this video on the health benefits of ginger. Ginger is a spice that has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine and culinary practices. It has a warm, spicy, and slightly sweet flavor that adds depth and complexity to a wide range of dishes from stir-fries and soups to teas and desserts. But did you know that ginger also has numerous health benefits? Let's take a look at some of them. 1. Relieves nausea and vomiting. Ginger has been shown to be effective in reducing nausea and vomiting, especially in people undergoing chemotherapy, pregnant women experiencing morning sickness, and those suffering from motion sickness. It works by blocking signals to the brain that trigger nausea and vomiting, and also by speeding up the emptying of the stomach, which reduces feelings of fullness and bloating. 2. Reduces inflammation. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can lead to a range of health problems, including arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogals that have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce inflammation and pain in the body. 3. Lowers blood sugar levels. High blood sugar levels can lead to a range of health problems, including type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. Studies have shown that ginger can help to lower blood sugar levels by increasing insulin sensitivity, which allows the body to use glucose more effectively. 4. Boosts immune system. Ginger contains antioxidants that can help to boost the immune system and protect the body against harmful free radicals that can cause cell damage and lead to disease. It also has antimicrobial properties that can help to fight off infections, including those caused by bacteria and viruses. 5. Improves digestion. Ginger has been used for centuries to aid digestion and reduce digestive discomfort. It works by increasing the production of digestive juices and enzymes, which helps to break down food more effectively and reduce bloating, gas, and constipation. 6. Relieves menstrual pain. Menstrual pain can be a debilitating condition that affects many women every month. Ginger has been shown to be effective in reducing menstrual pain and cramps, possibly due to its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. So those are just a few of the many health benefits of ginger. There are many ways to incorporate ginger into your diet, including adding it to smoothies, teas, soups, stir-fries, and baked goods. You can also take ginger supplements if you prefer. However, it's important to note that ginger may interact with certain medications, so if you're taking any medications, be sure to consult with your doctor before adding ginger to your diet. That's it for today's video on the health benefits of ginger. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Thanks for watching.